What about 2024 as a whole? What do you think it's got in store for online marketing, particularly?
Well, it doesn't look good, does it? Because you're forecasting zero growth. Google are forecasting an 11% increase in ad spend. So that the maths doesn't add up. But I think some other things sort of outside of AI, just from a sort of digital marketing, which is my background for the last 20 odd years, is um, the Google consent mode version 2. You probably need a whole separate webinar on this, Andy, at some point, is this whole third-party cookies and what Google is changing. And it's not just about your online consent forms for your cookies. The way in which you will be able to track and measure your online performance is going to change. So you do need to, if you haven't thought about it, read up about it, speak to your agencies, speak to whoever your tracking people are, you need to start thinking about, well, what tracking are we going to lose? And what do we need to do? So that's like a thing. And then in America, they're just testing the sort of search generative engine, which is basically SEO is dead and it's all going to be basically chat. So Google's Bard is going to suddenly be in the search box. So instead of presenting a list of URLs, it's going to present an answer to your question, which it's got from its own AI. And then it will reference which websites it used to generate the answer. So I suppose having a chat to your SEO agency or your SEO team and getting them to start thinking about, you can only test it currently if you're logged into Google Labs and through a US VPN. But you need this is coming. It's going to get rolled out at some point this year, probably later in the year. Be interesting to see if they make the change before peak, or maybe it's this time next year. But you need to start thinking about, well, how can we create content that then gets scraped and that the AI learns from our content? So it's almost like it's how can we influence Google's new AI in the same way people are trying to influence the content for the SEO results. So I suppose they're the two big things that people should be thinking about, and are going to affect tracking, measurement, and online performance that I think 2024 is going to sort of throw at us as well.